Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a book stalk. So here you can see that I'm using my ruler and my pencil to draw the book stalk. At the beginning you have to draw few lines. Okay, this is the first book. Now let's draw another one. Now I'm drawing one more book. Here's another one. This is a big book stalk. Uh-oh, it's a mess. Don't worry, I will fix it when I will do the outline. Before outlining, I'm cleaning this portion because it's looking really messy here. Okay, let's start coloring. I'm using my green highlighter pen. Now I'm using my cyan highlighter pen. I'm using orange highlighter pen. Now I'm using my cyan highlighter pen again. And finally, I'm using purple highlighter pen. For the inside of whole books, I'm using a pale orange crayon. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.